Look at the below, a small tiny river scuttling through the shadowy and the silvery white radiant sunlit valley. You may call a small river, but it is hardly a river. You can listen to the murmurs, the whispering secrets it's telling to the people who are coming here for just a moment, take a breather, telling the people a lesson of nature, that there is symphony, there is a song around human life. Look at the beauty of the hill, the forest, the dense forest, the lush green, creating a tapestry of beauty. The nature here is just a reflection of the paradise, seems to be standing over my heels rather than seems to be standing over my head rather than on my heels. The hills all around us created, creating, building, telling, and asking us to stop for a moment and just watch the beauty and enjoy. Take the beauty forever within your heart, in your camera of mind. So just I am recording, not for me, but for future glory and future responsiveness of life.